For today's video, I'm going to show you how to view today's activities in Pipedrive and stay fully on top of your daily tasks so no lead slips through the cracks. If you want to keep your sales momentum high, knowing how to navigate your activity dashboard is essential. First, open the official Pipedrive website in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside, click on the Activities tab in the main navigation menu on the left side of your screen. This section acts as your daily command center, giving you a complete overview of all your planned tasks. You'll also notice some items highlighted in red. These are overdue activities that need your immediate attention. Within the Activities area, you have two main ways to view your day. The first is the list view, where everything appears in a detailed spreadsheet-style layout. This is especially useful because you can sort tasks by time, activity type, or even by the associated deal and notes, making it easier to batch your calls or emails efficiently. After reviewing the list, you can switch to the Calendar tab at the top of the section. This view is perfect if you prefer to visualize your schedule in a time block format, allowing you to clearly see how your meetings and follow-ups fit into your day or week. Finally, don't forget to use the filtering options at the top of the dashboard. These let you narrow down your view by specific users or activity types, helping you focus only on what matters most at the moment. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials like this.